I know that we all have outfits that are hiding in our closet in all of the pieces that we've got. And today I'm going to explore 5 different outfits based off of what I've got in my closet to provide you some outfit inspiration. So let's go. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Oralia. I am a personal stylist, and my goal here on my channel is to help you to curate a wardrobe that you will love, one that works for you, not against you. I do a lot of shopping here on my channel, but I thought that I would take a break from that today and do a styling video instead and really give it a strong shop your closet kind of perspective, because I think that it's important that we take a look at what we have and get out of the habit of wearing the same things over and over and over again. I have a tendency to do that because I work from home. And so I tend to outfit repeat a lot with the same 3 or 4 pieces. This kind of exercise will help you to push outside of that rut and inspire you to put outfits together that are really cute that you could wear in a lot of different situations. Now, this video is intended to be inspiration for you. You don't have to dress in exactly what I'm showing here. What I would urge you to do instead is to look at the style elements that I am using and bring them together in a way that works for what you have in your closet. So I may be wearing a pleated skirt in one outfit. You don't happen to have a pleated skirt, then pull out a pencil skirt or a denim skirt or whatever kind of skirt you have that will work in that situation. If there is something, though, that you see here that you would like to add to your wardrobe, I will have everything that I possibly can, because some of these pieces are older and not available anymore, but I will find something as close as I can to what I'm showing for you to shop if you feel that you need to supplement your closet. These links will be in the description bar as well as pinned to a comment. If they are available through YouTube Shop, then you'll see something pop up on the corner of the screen as I'm talking about it. And if you happen to be watching me on a TV, then there will be a QR code available for you that has everything that I'm talking about listed within that QR code. It's going to link directly to my LTK shop. Follow me on LTK because these outfits and a lot of other things show up there. LTK is a really great place to go if you love to look at people's lives, at people's outfits, at what they're buying, at what they're enjoying. And that way you don't have to deal with all of the ads and everything else that comes with browsing social media these days. So make sure to follow me on LTK. A lot of your favorite influencers are over there as well. Follow them too so that you can continue to get outfit inspiration and any kind of inspiration for things that we've been loving, things that we've been doing, and things that we have there for you if you'd like to get them for yourself. Make sure to check all of those spots for all of these pieces and more. Now that we've gotten that housekeeping out of the way, let's go ahead and let's dive into the 5 outfits that I have for you. The first outfit is my favorite. I love it so much because it is just very, very ladylike and just totally my vibe. I am wearing this chambray shirt with a red full skirt, a pair of red slingbacks, and an ivory handbag. Now, the chambray shirt is such a cool piece to have. It is one of the most versatile pieces that you could have in your closet. It's going to work in so many different situations and so many different ways. Here, I have pushed it a little bit outside of how you might normally wear it, and I have paired it with a really beautiful full skirt in a really punchy shade of red. I found this skirt at Old Navy this holiday season, and I'm so happy that I picked it up. However, this one might be a little bit hard for me to find. I will do my best to find you a red skirt that you could style in this way if you want to emulate this outfit exactly. The shoes are shoes that I got from Vivaya. These are probably some of the most comfortable heels that I own. And the ivory bag is one from Coach that I got 3 or 4 years ago at an outlet. So I know for sure it's not available anymore. But any kind of white or ivory bag that you might have would look really, really beautiful with this outfit. And again, if you don't have this exact same skirt, pull out a red skirt that you do have. It doesn't have to be in this silhouette necessarily. It will work because the chambray shirt is so incredibly flexible and versatile and will go with anything and everything in your closet. So I really, really like the way this looks though, because we juxtapose the masculine with the femininity of the full skirt, and it just looks really, really pretty. Like I said, very, very ladylike. You could add a really pretty, like a chunky chain necklace to this look, and it would be phenomenal. Or if you really love wearing pearls, I think this is an excellent place for a string or a necklace of some sort that has got pearls on it. It's just so flexible. Now the earrings that I'm wearing in this video are the same throughout, because these are the earrings that I would likely wear on an everyday basis. As a matter of fact, I'm wearing them right now. These chunky gold hoops are from a Jury. I've had them for like 3 or 4 years already. I wear them on the regular. And then the studs and such that I have are from Idol. And I love them because they're diamond, they're gold, they go with everything. So they are my everyday earring. And quite honestly, I was never that person that would do everything in their earrings. And these earrings that I have from Idol Jewelry have become that for me. I don't take them off, essentially. But I love them because they go with everything from casual to dressy. So I'll have all of that linked in the description below if you are interested. This is not sponsored by Idol. I just really, really love these earrings. But anyway, onward to outfit number 2. Outfit number 2 is a camel blazer with a white and navy striped tank. I'm wearing white jeans with this look, and I have got on my penny loafers, my GH Bass loafers with this look, and I've also brought in a suede tote bag. This is a look that I would wear even if I was just going out to run errands. And I am talking to those of you ladies who live at home. You might be retired, or you're working from home like me, or you're just a stay-at-home person. This outfit is one that you could wear going out to run errands. And you think it might be overly dressy, but I don't think so. I think that this actually strikes just the right chord for even going out to run errands. You don't want to go out and about in a pair of leggings and a sweatshirt. You want to make sure that you are getting dressed for your day. And this is an excellent outfit for that. You look polished, you look pulled together, and yet this is an easy enough outfit to pull together that it's just as easy as a leggings and a sweatshirt. That's just as comfortable as well. So I would urge you to pull out these pieces that you have and wear them for your regular everyday life. Running errands, going to the groceries, picking up the kids, whatever it is that you do, get dressed for it, and this is a perfect outfit. Now, the camel blazer is one that is universal, and I love pairing camel with stripes. Now, normally I would do a black and white stripe because I feel that that's very striking, and I thought that I would branch out a little bit and try navy blue and white, and I really do like it. It is very fresh. It is very this outfit definitely reads spring because we've got a really pretty white tank top that's got blue striping on it, and then we've got the white jeans, and then we tie it all together with the loafers to kind of rein it in a little bit, make it a little bit more elevated, make it a little bit more academic, I feel. And then with the brown suede tote, with suede being such a trend, but honestly, it is a timeless material. It's perfect for going to the market. You know, you've got your tote bag, you can put your groceries in there or whatever it is that you carry around with you. If you've got kids, this can serve as your bag to carry all of the stuff that you need to carry for your kids. It is an excellent bag. It is such a find and very well priced. I got this from Quince, but any tote bag honestly will do. You don't have to have a suede tote bag. I just really liked the way that this looked. It tied in the brown of the loafers. It also kind of works really, really well with the camel and of course the white and the navy blue. So we got a bit going on here, but I feel that it works because we've got a lot of really beautiful neutrals that are working together to create a cohesive look. Outfit number 3 is one that was inspired by my vacation in California. I am wearing this striped linen blend vest with a pleated chiffon skirt and a pair of sandals along with a basket bag. Now, I really, really like this look because it is very easy weekend kind of look. So you're taking some tailored pieces and some fancier pieces, and you're wearing them in such a way that they appear, or that they are way more casual. I did a video talking about this. It's the 2x2 rule, where you're wearing two dressy pieces and two casual pieces to create some tension. It works when you do that because you've got just the right amount of contrast when you mix these things together. And so by taking a tailored vest that's got a stripe on it, as well as a pleated skirt, which are two of the dressier items, and then you pair it with a pair of sandals and a basket bag, you've got a really beautiful vacation look, or just a weekend about town kind of look. This is the right mix of dressy and comfortable. So I love this look. I think it's a perfect weekend look as well. I feel that if you work in a corporate office and you pick these pieces up for your corporate attire, you could easily make them weekend appropriate by pairing them with different, more casual accessories. So this really expands your cost per wear for your workwear when you style it in this way that can work not just at the office during the week, but can work on the weekends and can work when you're on vacation. Outfit number 4 is a red lady jacket. I paired it with a white tank top, some white jeans, and I'm wearing my loafers from Vivaya, and then I have got a black bag. I really, really love this look because, first of all, red is such a beautiful color during the spring. Well, it's a beautiful color year round, but it's really having a moment right now. As we approach summer, the red gets brighter and brighter. Now, this particular red on camera tends to look like a true red. In real life, it actually pulls a little bit orange, and so you want to keep that in mind. But honestly, any kind of a red cardigan or lady jacket that you might have, I know that a lot of you picked this particular cardigan up when I showed it last summer. I know that a lot of you bought it, so I know that a lot of you have it in your closet. So here's an excellent way of wearing it. Now, when it comes to wearing color, bright colors, I much prefer to pair them with white than with black. I feel that white helps the color pop a lot better. It pops more than black. Black takes away from the color. It still pops, but it doesn't stand out quite as much as it does when you pair it with white. And then, of course, it being spring and summer, having some white pieces really makes it look fresh. It really makes it look of the moment. And then you've got a pair of loafers that have got a really cute, like a leopard on them. So you've got a little bit of leopard print in the mix. And I feel that this is such a beautiful look for running around town. Again, same as with outfit number 2. You can run errands, you can go to the market, you have a doctor's appointment or something, you're ready to go. If you're on vacation, someplace that gets maybe a little bit chilly, like if you're in the northern states like I am, this particular cardigan comes in very handy because while it may be warm during the day, it is chilly in the mornings and chilly at night. So again, another outfit that could easily be worn for a variety of situations in your life, and that comes together very quickly and is really, really super comfortable, especially the tank top. I haven't had a chance to talk with you guys in depth about these tank tops, but this is a tank top from Uniqlo, and it has a built-in bra, which means that you don't have to worry about wearing a special bra or a bra in general. Probably one of the most comfortable pieces of clothing that I have in my closet. But if you watch my vlogs, this will be included. I've got a bunch of them that I want to show you guys. They're very, very comfortable and easy. And so they're going to be a staple for me this spring and summer. But anyway, any tank top will do, or if you don't want to wear a tank top, a t-shirt will also work in this situation. If you don't have a pair of white jeans, a regular pair of jeans will work. Or if you've got trousers, a trouser or a denim skirt. There are so many different ways that you can style something like this cardigan that I'm showing. Outfit number 5 is a linen striped button-down shirt, a blue denim skirt, and I would say a medium wash, sandals, and a neutral bag. The striped button-down shirt is a linen blend, actually, and it is one of the pieces that I have found is a workhorse in my wardrobe because it is really super easy to wear. It's in neutral tone, so it's got like a a creamy ivory, a beige, and a blue stripe. And it is a really, really versatile piece. I thought that it would look really, really beautiful with the denim skirt. And then I am wearing a pair of sandals. They're heeled sandals. They're raffia, but you could easily substitute flats, or you could substitute a sandal, an open sandal, like a flat sandal. Here, you could even do sneakers. I'm not much of a sneakers and skirt kind of gal, but you could do that as well. I really, really like this outfit because it is easy and yet at the same time pull together. Now, the bag is a woven bag. It's leather. I got it from Quince. It's one of my favorites. I still haven't had a chance to wear it yet, but I will now that the warmer weather has arrived where I live. And then I decided at the last second I needed to finish the outfit off with a belt. So I pulled this nude belt, taupe nude belt that I had. I picked it up at Amazon, and it really helped to tie the whole outfit together. I felt like it needed to have that finish. And that's a beautiful thing about belts, is that they help to finish an outfit. If something's missing, you know, you might want to try adding a belt and see how that works. And I really, really like the way that it worked out. I think that it is such a nice look. Again, something that you could wear to the office if you wanted to put on a pair of closed heels, if you can't have like open heels like I'm wearing here. Or, like I said, flats, sneakers, any kind of shoe would look good with it. But again, when I'm wearing a longer skirt, I like to wear a heel because it helps to elongate my legs. It helps me to avoid looking frumpy. Let me know if these outfits inspired you and how you're going to shop your closet based off of the looks that I've shown you here. I'm going to leave you with a video that YouTube thinks that you will enjoy. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I appreciate it, and I hope to see you in that video. Bye.